Hello guys.
Hello.
And welcome to the Kamui Cosplay YouTube channel. I'm Svetlana and this is my husband Benni.
Hi. We are two self-employed artists living in Germany who spend all of our free time creating costumes and props from our favorite video games, movies and TV shows.
And it's so much fun. I got into cosplay back in 2003 and since then Benni was so nice to help me with every single project. So nice of him.
Like I have a choice.
We created all kinds of crazy stuff together and we absolutely love sharing everything we learned with you! Yay!
On our channel you will find full making of videos for many different costumes we've made so far, but also interesting tutorials about materials and different techniques, talks about cosplay life in general, and of course we'll show you plenty of footage from our cute corgis Zelda and Midna.
And they are so cute.
They are so cute.
So cute.
So cute.
Cute. We absolutely love to help you and to create new tutorials. And cosplaying in general is such an amazing hobby. So we really hope that our videos are helpful and inspire you to create your own costumes.
We also published a lot of crafting tutorial books about armor making, prop making, painting, installing LEDs and so many more.
You can find them on kamuicosplay.com.
Over there we also have some handy crafting patterns and blueprints we made just for you to get started.
So have fun watching, and if you like what you see, please consider to subscribe to our channel, and you can also support us on Patreon. This really helps us a lot, so thanks a lot for all your support.
And see you in the next video. Bye bye!
Bye bye!